Get acquainted with the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Recharge your passion for performance in this thrilling Ford Mustang Mach-E, the highly capable, boldly stylish EV that gives you a uniquely personalized driving experience. Quick, versatile, and luxuriously appointed, it puts you in control of an impressive suite of tech that lets you make every drive feel just how you like it. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, navigation system. Feel light, fast, and free when you're in this tech-savvy Mustang Mach-E. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.